In RotaCloud, your staff can make holiday requests which you can choose to either approve or deny by simply clicking it. Alternatively, you can choose to manually add a number of different leave types for staff, such as holiday and sickness. The best way to add leave is on the rotas page. This allows you to see your rotated shifts and leave before adding. Hover the cell you'd like to add leave to and click the 3 dots at the bottom of the shift box. Select Add Leave, and in the leave box you can select the type of leave, dates, number of hours assigned to it, and paid status. If you like, you can also choose to add leave for multiple employees here. When you're done, click Add Leave and it will show on your rotas and leave page. If adding holidays, the number of hours or days will also be deducted from the employee's allowance. Leave can also be added directly on the leave page using the blue plus icon. The leave page will also give you a full breakdown of all leave your staff have for the entire year, as well as their allowances and how much they've used so far.